Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be sharing some life-changing hacks to save money easily without feeling like you are missing out. So the first thing is to track your expenses. Like most of the people don't realize how small daily spends like coffee, snacks or random online orders add up. So always use a simple notes application or budget app to see where your money is going. The second thing is you need to follow the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything that isn't urgent, you need to wait at least for one day. Most of the time, you will realize that you don't really need it. So, this one simple hack can save you hundreds of dollars every single month. The third thing that you need to remember is to automate your savings. You need to set up your bank's application so that a small amount, even 2 euros or 5 euros, moves to the savings every time you get paid. You will grow a safety net without even thinking about it. Fourth is to cook at home. Eating out even twice a week can burn a big hole in your wallet. So, home cooking is cheaper, healthier, and actually fun once you get into it. Finally, you need to unsubscribe from the things that you don't use, like any old applications, streaming platforms, or gym memberships. Hidden subscriptions drain your money every single month without you noticing it. So, my final thoughts would be saving money doesn't mean that you are living cheap. It simply means that you are smart with what your money goes and how you are spending it. So, you can start small, stay consistent with it, and over time, you will see a big change. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.